Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Hallo und herzlich willkommen, meine Damen und Herren. Harrington Technisches Englisch begrüßt Sie ganz herzlich zu einem weiteren Video. Wir wünschen Ihnen viel Spaß damit.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning into our video today. Meine Damen und Herren, danke, dass Sie hier unser Video heute anschauen. Our topic today is to be in the present simple and the past simple. Unser Thema heute ist sein, auf Englisch to be, in der einfachen Gegenwart und einfachen Vergangenheit. Okay, so to be in the present simple, einfache Gegenwart. What we have three forms. Okay, so I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, there, they are. In der einfachen Gegenwart haben wir drei Formen hier. Am, are oder is. I am, ich bin, you are, du bist oder ihr seid. He, she, it is, er, sie, es ist. We are, wir sind, they are, sie sind. Okay, now with this, the difference between all other verbs in the present simple is that we have three forms, all other have two forms. Play, plays, work, works, drive, drives, etc. Here we have three, and there are no auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Hier, es gibt drei Formen. Alle anderen Verben haben zwei Formen in der einfachen Gegenwart. Work, works, drive, drives, etc. Und wir haben keine Hilfsverben here. Okay, so how do we build this? How do we make this? First, with statements, what we need is the subject, and then am, are, is, a form of to be, and if necessary, the object. So, for example, you are at work. She is tired. Okay, so all we need, subject, the verb, am, are, is, and object if necessary. Alles, was wir brauchen, ist das Subjekt und dann das Form von sein, to be, am, are oder is, und dann, wenn nötig, das Objekt. Okay, questions. We say, are you at work? All we do is switch the subject and the verb. Alles, was wir tun, ist, wir tauschen das Subjekt und das Verb. Okay, so instead of you are at work statement, question, are you at work? She is tired, statement, question, is she tired? Like most questions in English, if you have a question word, what, where, when, why, how, this just goes at the front. Wie die meisten Fragen auf Englisch, wenn wir ein Fragewort hat wie what, where, when, why, how, etc., das geht nach vorne, das ändert die Wortstellung nicht. Okay, so are you at work? Question, why are you at work? Okay, funny, money. Okay, the same, is she tired with the question word? Why is she tired? Up all night, whatever. Okay, next we have the negatives. Jetzt verneinungen. Okay, with this, all we do is put not after the verb. Okay, so you are at work statement, negative. You are not at work. Okay, alles was wir tun ist not geht nach dem Verb. Okay, so Bejahung, you are at work. Verneinung, you are not at work. She is tired, Bejahung. Verneinung, she is not tired. Okay, and very often when we speak, we have contractions. Ganz oft, wenn Sie reden, wir haben Zusammenziehung. So I am not tired, I'm not tired. You are not tired, you aren't tired, oder you're not tired. She isn't tired, she's not tired. We're not tired, we aren't tired. They are not tired, the long way. They aren't tired, oder they're not tired. Okay, die Zusammenziehungen finden Sie auch auf mein PDF, was unten ist. Okay, so that is to be in the present simple. Now let's move on to be in the past simple. Sein in der einfachen Vergangenheit. Okay, this is built very much like to be in the present simple, but there are differences. Es wird hergestellt genauso wie, fast genauso wie in der einfachen Gegenwart, aber es gibt ein paar Kleinigkeiten, die unterschiedlich sind. First, we have only two forms, was or were. Where, depending on your accent, you may pronounce this differently. Hier haben wir nur zwei Formen von sein in der einfachen Vergangenheit, was oder were. All other verbs in the past simple have one form. Drive, drove, eat, ate, play, played, work, worked. So here we have was or were. Alle anderen Verben in der einfachen Vergangenheit haben nur eine Form wie work, worked, play, played, drive, drove, eat, ate, etc. Hier haben wir zwei Formen, was oder were. So I was, ich war. You were, du warst. He, she, it was, sie, es war. We were, wir waren. They were, sie waren. Okay. Word order is very similar to be in the present simple. Okay. With statements, we have the subject and then the verb was or were, object if necessary. Bei Bejahungen haben wir Subjekt, was oder were als Verb und dann Objekt, wenn wir das brauchen. Okay. So for example, you were at the cinema yesterday. Okay. She was at home last week. Very similar here to the present simple, only with was or were. Questions, the same. We start with the verb, exchange it with the subject. Fragen sind ähnlich. Wir tauschen hier das Verb und Subjekt aus. Dann ist anders. For example, were you at the cinema yesterday? And was she at home last week? Okay. Same thing with question words. What, where, when, why, how. Das gleiche mit Fragewörter. What, where, when, why, how. Question word goes at the front. Word order the same. Fragewort geht vorne. Wordstellung ist gleich. So, where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Why was she at home last week? Okay. Word order stays the same. And the last thing we have today is negatives. Okay. And so this is formed very similar to the present simple with to be. All we add is not. Okay, so when we've got the statement, you were at the cinema yesterday, the negative would be, you were not at the cinema yesterday. Here, she was at home last week, the negative, she wasn't at home last week. Okay, so für Verneinungen, alles was wir brauchen, ist das not. Okay. And like the present simple with to be, in the past simple, we also make many contractions. Okay, so was is very often wasn't, and where, weren't. What we don't do is put this on the verb like the present simple. So I wasn't, you weren't, he, she, it wasn't, we weren't, they weren't. Okay. Thank you very much for watching our video today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and we hope you tune in to videos in the future. Thank you very much. Dankeschön, meine Damen und Herren, dass Sie unser Video angeschaut haben, und wir hoffen, dass Sie unsere Videos in der Zukunft anschauen. Dankeschön.
Danke, dass Sie unser Video geschaut haben. Wir hoffen, es hat Ihnen gefallen. Wenn Sie Interesse an Englischunterricht in Ihrer Firma haben sollten, dann schicken Sie uns eine E-Mail an info@harrington-english.de. Einen Link hierzu finden Sie unten. Wir freuen uns auf das nächste Mal. See you soon!